Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox killer. To truly challenge an established platform, you must first empower creators like never before. Imagine a platform where development tools are not only intuitive, but also incredibly powerful, allowing for unparalleled creative freedom. Furthermore, offering a significantly higher revenue share, perhaps 75%, directly incentivizes top talent to build their dreams with you. This foundation, combined with cutting-edge graphics and physics, will create truly immersive experiences that captivate users. Next, we need innovative features that set us apart. Consider implementing advanced AI-powered assistants that can help developers with coding, asset generation, and even level design, drastically speeding up the creation process. We also need seamless cross-platform play, ensuring users can connect and enjoy experiences together, whether they are on a PC, console, mobile device, or even in virtual reality. A robust, fair marketplace for assets and scripts will further empower creators and enrich the platform. A thriving community and a fair economy are absolutely crucial. We must foster a vibrant, moderated community through integrated social features, regular events, and creator spotlights. Beyond traditional in-game purchases, offer diverse monetization options such as premium subscriptions or creator-specific passes, giving users more ways to support their favorite experiences. Providing transparent analytics and comprehensive creator dashboards will empower developers to understand their audience and optimize their content for maximum engagement and revenue. Finally, strategic launch and sustained growth are paramount. Begin with a powerful marketing campaign that targets both experienced creators and enthusiastic early adopters, showcasing the platform's unique advantages. It is vital to continuously iterate on development tools and user features, always incorporating community feedback to ensure the platform evolves with its users' needs. Securing strategic partnerships with major hardware manufacturers and influential content creators will also be key to expanding reach and establishing a dominant presence in the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.